Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here what is written, lines and angle. So today we are today we are going to discuss about the lines and angle. So this is the topic of 7th class also and 9th class also. And if a 8th class want to listen this, so can learn also. Okay, so because in this we will learn some basic thing that will be used in higher classes. Okay, so let us start today topic or lines and angle. So see what we will learn in lines and angle. So first of all, we will learn what are the difference between lines, what is line, what is ray, and what is line segment. Okay. So here I am writing. We will learn about line, then we will learn about ray, then we will learn about line segment. Okay. So now let us see what is line, what is ray, and what is line segment. Okay. So here I am making a figure of all the things. So see here, this is line segment. This is ray, and this is line segment. Okay. So now how we will define these things? So let us see. So see here, line. So you can see the figure of line. In figure of line, two arrows two arrows are there on the both sides. So arrow indicates what? Arrow indicates that it will extend from both sides. Okay, it will extend from both sides means you can produce infinitely. Okay, so it will extend from both sides, and if it extend from both sides, then it can't be. There will be no end point. There will be no end point, and if there will be no end point, then you can't measure this. If you can't measure this, then its length will be indefinite. Indefinite means not fixed. So here, see here, first of all, we will write what? It have, it extend, it extend from both sides. It extend from both sides. Second thing, it have, it have no end points. It have no end points. Third thing, it can't be measure. It can't be measure. You can't measure this. Now see, if you can't measure this, then its length will be indefinite. Indefinite. Indefinite means not fixed. Okay, not fixed. Its length will be indefinite, not fixed. See here how you will define the line. Okay, and for suppose that this is AB line, then how you will represent this? As you will write AB, and on this you will put the line figure like this. Okay, so this is the symbol of line, you can say. Now let us see the ray. What is ray? So you can see here figure of ray is formed. Okay, so how you will define this? So you can see in this one arrow is there and one end point is there. It means what it indicates, from one side it will extend. From one side it will extend, and from one side it will be stopped. Okay, so it means there will be one end point. There will be one end point. Now see, if it is extending from one side, then you can say that you can't measure this. You can't measure this. If you can't measure this, then you will say that its length will be indefinite. Okay, so what you will write here? It will, it extends, it extends, it extends only from one side. It extends from only one side. Second thing, it have one end point. It have one end point. End point. Second thing, what you will write? It can't be measured. See, From one side it is extending na, so you can't measure. So it can't be measure. It can't be measure. Okay. Now see, if you can't measure, then its length also will be indefinite. Its length, its length will be indefinite. Indefinite. Indefinite means not fixed. Not fixed. Now see how you will write the ray. Suppose this is A and this is B. Okay. So how you will indicate this? This is AB ray. In this way you will write the ray. See here how you will define the ray. Okay. Now let us see the line segment. Now see, you can see this is the figure of line segment, and in this you can see there is no arrow. There is no arrow. There is two end points are there. It will not extend from any side. First thing. Second thing, it have two end point. There will be two end point in this. Now, if two end point is there, it is not extended from any side. Then you will say that what? It can't be measured. Sorry, it can be measured. It can measure. Now, if it can be measured, then its length will be what? Definite will be. Definite means fixed will be. So right here, what you will write? It it does not it does not extend. It does not extend from any side. Okay, it does not extend from any side. It have two end points. It have two end points. It can be measure. It can be measure also. And if it can be measured, then its length will be definite. Its length will be definite. Definite means fixed. There will be fixed. Suppose that this is A, this is B, then it can be represented as like this. Okay, AB line segment. See here how you will define here. Okay, see how you will define here about the line segment. See, okay. Now we will talk about the angle. What is angle? So here you had the line ray and line segment. So angle is defined on the basis of ray. So how you will define the angle on the basis of ray? We will see. So I am going to erase this all the thing. I hope you have noted down. Okay. Okay. Now let us see about the angle. Now see angle. How you will define the angle? See. First of all, I make the figure. See, this is angle. Okay. See, this is angle. Now, in this, what you will say that there are two rays. There are two rays. One ray is this and one ray is this. Okay. And both rays have one common endpoint. Both rays have common endpoint. Then how you will write? Two rays having common endpoint form an angle. So here you will write what? Two rays having common common endpoint means endpoint will be common. See, this is endpoint will be common. So two is having common endpoint form an angle. Form an angle. Okay. Suppose this is OA ray. Suppose this is OB ray. And both have common endpoint O. Then this will form as an angle. Okay. So see here. Now see part of angle. Now part of angle we will talk. See, two rays by which angle is formed. Okay. So two rays called as the arm of angle. See, this OA and OB will called as arm of angle. So how you will define this? Two rays by which angle is formed. Okay. So first one is arm. How arm you will define? Two rays by which by which angle is formed. Okay, see here, two rays by which angle is formed, called as called as arm. Arm of angle, you will say. Arm of angle. Okay. Now second thing is vertex. Second thing is vertex. So see here, two rays have common endpoint, and then common endpoint is called as vertex. So here you will write down common endpoint of two rays by which angle is formed, called as vertex. Called as vertex. See here how you will define the vertex. Okay, so these are the parts of angle, arm and vertex. Okay, now how you will give the naming of angle. How you will write the name of angle. Okay, so name of angle. See, name of angle can be written by a single letter or by using three letters. Okay, and the letter by which endpoint is denoting, so you will keep that letter in the center. Okay, so naming of angle, how you will, so name of angle can be given by using single letter or three letters three letters three letters in which common, or you say in which vertex letter will be in between of remaining two letters. Okay, now see here how you will give the name. See, in figure angle can be named as angle O, or angle AOB, or angle BOA. See, this angle can be defined named as angle O, you will say. Okay, and angle AOB or angle BOA, and this symbol used okay, for naming angle. Okay, so this symbol is named as angle. So how you will say this symbol, you will use angle O, angle AOB, angle BOA. Okay, so see here how you will give the name. Okay, now here we are going to learn how you will give you name in if there are two or more angles are there. So suppose I am making a figure of, suppose that, see, one figure is there and AOB. Now if you make one ray more, okay, see, OC. So can you tell how many angles are there? Okay, so obviously you can tell. How you see, first angle is one angle, two angle, and three angle. So there are three angles in given figure. So what you will write? There are three angles in given figure. See here, there are three angles in given figure. Now, given figure and named as. Now, how you will give the name? See, this angle is denoting by angle AOC. So what you will write? Angle AOC. You can say AOC also and COA. Both are same. And named as this angle C. BOC, angle BOC. Now, angle AOB. angle AOB. So there are three angles are named as like this. Angle AOC, see this one angle, angle BOC, this angle, and angle AOB, this angle. See here, okay. Now again I am going to make our one more figure. To you have to tell how many angles are there, and you have to write name of angle. Okay. So see here. Suppose this is AOB. Now here one ray C. Now here one ray D. Now you have to tell how many angles are there. Okay. So how you will tell? See. First this one angle, two angle, three angle. Okay. Then four angle, five angle, and six angle. You can see. Okay. So this is one angle, two angle, three angle, four angle, five angle, and six angle. So there will be six angle in the given figure. Okay. So here you will write what? There are six angle in given figure. And named as how you will give the name. See, first name you will give this name. See, this is AOD. So you will write what? Angle AOD. Okay. Now see, now we talk about this angle DOC. Angle DOC. Now see this angle BOC. Angle BOC. Now see this angle AOC. Angle AOC. See this angle. Okay. Now see this angle from here to here. So DOB. Angle DOB. Now see whole angle AOB. Angle AOB. See here how you will write the name of angle and how you will tell how many angles are there in a particular figure. Okay. So see here how you will write. Okay. Now here I am going to make one more figure. Now it's that will be your homework for you. You have to tell. Okay. So see here I am going to make. Suppose this is A, B, O. Okay. Now you have to tell how many angles are there. Suppose this is C, this is D, this is E. Okay. Now this is your work to tell how many angles are there. Okay. And what will be the name of angle. Okay. So you will tell me in my comment box. Okay. So I hope you have understood how you will define the angle. Okay. So see here. Okay. Okay. So this is your for homework. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the things: lines, rays, and line segment, angles, how you will give the name of angle. Now if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it. And if any query is there, then comment in my comment box. And remember, you have to tell me how many angles are there in my comment box. Okay. And now if you are facing any doubt in any question, so here my WhatsApp number is there. Okay. So on this number you will send me pic of that question in which you are facing problem. Okay. So what I will do, I will make video of that question to clear your doubts. Okay. So till now, wait for the next video. In next video we will learn how you will measure the angle and how many types of angle will be there, and we will learn pair of angle also. Okay. So till now, goodbye, have a nice day, and wait for the next video.